Hello, we're Atomic Habits, the app, and our capstone project is aimed at anyone who wants to develop good habits by following the science and steps laid out in James Clear's book, Atomic Habits. I'm Hayden from California. I'm majoring in software development and minoring in financial technology.
I'm Jiawen Wang. I'm from China and major in computer science.
Hi, my name is Ethan. I'm a Utah local from Sandy, and I'm majoring in computer science here at the University of Utah.
And I'm Haley Sherman. I'm from Magna, Utah, and I'm a double major in computer science and psychology with a minor in cognitive science. Do you struggle to maintain healthy habits in your daily life? From hitting the snooze button one too many times to neglecting important tasks, sticking to good habits can be a real challenge. But what if there was a way to make building good habits easier? Introducing Atomic Habits, the app, designed by our team to empower you in your journey towards better habits. Inspired by the scientifically proven methods outlined in Atomic Habits, our revolutionary app is your personalized companion for habit-building success. Using the 4 laws of behavior change, you can harness the power of the habit loop, altering cue, craving, response, and reward to have control over your behavior. With our app, you can seamlessly set achievable goals, track your habits, and receive tailored reminders to keep you accountable every step of the way. Say goodbye to the struggle of staying consistent and hello to a life filled with positive habits that stick.
Let's start with the register page. First off, just type in an email, a password, and a username of your choice, and click register. Now let's add a habit. Our app offers a suggested habit list. You can also search through this list and, well, let's say we want to catch the bus. Since we couldn't find it there, let's create a habit named Catch the Bus with the icon time. Sure, and we want to do that Monday through Friday. And we'll do it at 7:30 a.m. and the place to perform it, we'll say the bus stop outside our house. Let's save that. Nice. To complete the habit, you swipe right on it to check it off. To skip it, you swipe left. That skips it for the day. Or to edit it, you can just click into it and that takes us to our 4 habit laws. Let's jump in to make it easy, see what reduced friction is. We'll do that. And let's minimize obstacles to catch the bus by laying out our spider suit next to the front door. Let's save that and now it's part of our habit. One of the cool features of our app is our statistics page to help a user track their progress. Let's say we complete Save the Day for today, Friday the 19th. Nice. Let's go to the statistics page and see how many days we've completed in a row. 1 day, nice. And brush teeth, we've completed 3 days. Catch the bus, we missed that today. Let's go to Save the Day. It shows the day of today and a green circle showing we've done it. Brush teeth, there's 3 green circles showing that we've done it for 3 days in a row. And Catch the Bus, it says we have not done that.
Our tech stack fundamentally relies on the Flutter SDK and incorporates a few libraries. Flutter relies on a language called Dart, which is an ECMA script type language, very similar to JavaScript. And in it, there's a lot of patterns similar to things like React, which allows us for a lot of modern design. Finally, we use Firebase as our data management and authentication server. This allows for us to have a little bit more security and to have to avoid all of the costs associated with running our own server. Our use of the Flutter SDK focuses on our ability to deploy code locally to our platforms that we're focusing on. In our case, it was iOS and Android, with the additional option to deploy to web, though we didn't focus on that for the purpose of this release. The Dart language we used also has many libraries, and those libraries that we use include Daypicker, Flutter SVG, and heavy use of the Flutter local notifications. For Firebase, we focus on the Cloud Firestore in order to manage our data and make sure it's done securely. For our software development cycle, we utilize semi-weekly Scrum meetings. In addition to these, we tried to focus on self-documenting code and reasonable commenting so that other developers inside of our group wouldn't need long and lengthy meetings in order to understand our patterns. Through this process, we closed 85 issues over 16 weeks. A key part of our development cycle was collecting data from interviews. In our case, we used 10 reviews over 3 weeks. We focused on usability, style, and readability to make sure that our app was functional and practical. We introduced these changes in several stages, and this resulted in our final app.
Atomic Habits, the app transforms the pioneering ideas from James Clear's Atomic Habits into a dynamic, interactive journey. Designed for anyone eager to reshape their lives, this app breaks down the habit formation process into manageable, bite-sized actions. Whether you are juggling a hectic schedule or battling distractions, our app provides tailored strategies and a user-friendly platform to cultivate positive habits and shake the negative ones. Dive in to discover the power of small changes leading to monumental gains. We invite you to engage with us further, explore in person, and share your journey. Finally, a heartfelt thank you for our professors, reviewers, and Kahlert School of Computing at University of Utah for making this project possible.